Jai Hind, from Bharat to the entire world. We come here to celebrate interfaith Ramadan celebrations in the vibrant city of Chicago here. Again, I am here in the country of United States of America to receive an award as the top 20 global women of excellence, and as a part of my journey to America, I have been invited by Dr. Hussain to also speak at this beautiful gathering here where we all have come together for the Ramadan celebrations. Along with Ramadan celebrations, I am here to wish you all a happy Women History Month, because I see a lot of beautiful women out there, lot of strong women out there, powerful women out there. I just got to, I think, meet around 20 strong women here in Chicago today and 19 strong women there in Washington DC the other day. So totally my journey to US this time gets me around 39 strong women whom I have met, known their stories, spoke to them, got to learn a lot from them. And again, just one word from me. As I said, I believe in empowering women, and in this Women History Month and on the occasion of International Women's Day, we celebrate the legacy of strength and unity, resilience, power of women. Along with that, as I am a part of the Ramadan celebrations again here, we come together to actually, I think, put all our strength together. Ramadan is all about resilience, all about strength, all about how you take care of yourself during the holy month of Ramadan. Again, Dr. Hussain, I have met you in India. We request you from the state of Andhra Pradesh, because again, that's where I come from. I am a disciple and a student of Naidu ji, most fondly called by all of you. Most of you know him by the name Naidu ji, Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu garu. So, as a token of, I think I would say, as a disciple of him and a student of him and a part of his team, we from the state of Andhra Pradesh and from the entire Telugu Desam fraternity wish you all Eid Mubarak a little bit earlier. Once again, on the day of Eid and on the day of Ramadan, do remember our prayers and do remember our wishes to you, all the way from Andhra Pradesh to here, from Naidu ji to you all. And also, we request all the people out here to remember Andhra Pradesh in your prayers, to think of Andhra Pradesh in every work you do, because Andhra Pradesh needs support from all walks of life today. And anybody who is thinking of investing in Andhra Pradesh, who is thinking of coming and talking to Andhra Pradesh people, we are all here. We have a beautiful team out there in Chicago as well. I see Sri Hema Kanuru garu here as well. So, Andhra Pradesh welcomes you all. You all know Hyderabad. So, the next destination for all of you is Amaravati. Naidu ji is building Amaravati. So, I request you all to come to Andhra Pradesh, India, visit Amaravati, visit the beautiful places in our state, and support Naidu ji and his vision for the entire country of India as well as the world on a whole, because you all know he's a visionary. Thank you, Hussain ji, for having me here. Again, Eid Mubarak, Ramadan Mubarak, and above all, looking forward for a more fruitful association with all of you. And we love to host you all in the beautiful state of Andhra Pradesh. So thank you once again. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.